Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to send USDT from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, invest, or just move your assets around, this process is simpler than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring USDT like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some USDT in it. Remember, Phantom is great for Solana-based assets, so ensure your USDT is on the correct network, like Solana or Ethereum, depending on what you've got. Also, have your Bitrue account ready and verified, as you'll need to deposit funds there. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Log in securely and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for your USDT balance. It's usually listed under your assets. Click on it to select and prepare for sending. Step 2. In Bitrue, go to the deposit section. Search for USDT and note the wallet address they provide. This is crucial. Double check that the network matches what your USDT is on. For example, if your USDT is on Solana, use Bitrue's Solana deposit address to avoid any issues. Step 3. Back in Phantom, hit the Send button. Paste the Bitrue wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but always leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary of the details. Make sure it looks good before you approve. Once sent, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's to ensure it's processing. A quick tip for 2025. With evolving blockchain tech, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and keep an eye on gas fees, which might fluctuate. If you run into delays, it could be network congestion, so be patient. And there you have it. That's how you send USDT from Phantom to Bitrue. This method keeps your assets secure and your transfers smooth. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.